Hey, how's it going, YouTube? So here is Zurio emergency radio rechargeable by solar, hand crank, and USB. Alright, y'all ready? Here we go. Oh, that was a quick unboxing. Okay, so I guess it'll be like that. I guess you can see a power button through this hole. Okay, so let's see here. It's a little whistle. Here's a USB charger, micro USB, and then I guess an aux cable. And instructions. Some yummy candy. Not candy. And here's the unit itself. Let's close this up here. How's that about right there? Okay, so as you can see, I don't know if this is waterproof. That's a good question. I'm thinking here. It doesn't really say it. But as you can see here, it has AM, FM, and WB transmission with antenna, 4,000 milliamps, power bank. Also can be powered by AAA's, big LCD digital screen, LED flashlight, SOS siren alarm, USB input, output, and then the aux music input. So it doesn't say if it's waterproof or even water resistance. I mean, by the look and touch of it, you would think it is, because this power button seems to be sealed. I doubt it's really sealed here. But you know, I mean, everything does feel pretty tight, but it doesn't say it, so. Okay, so here we go. We have the power speaker up front. AL, which I'll have to look it up. Up and down, tuning, I assume. Volume, and the band, and another power. Made the oh, okay, so this is to turn it on. So let's just go ahead and turn it on now. And okay, there you go. And let's peel this off. There's just a little static one here. Static. Come on. Oh, how'd that sound, huh? Okay, so we are in line here. So let's see. I'm sure this is to switch to AM FM, but let's see what AL is. Ah, okay. And I'm trying to not play the music too much because I don't want to get a strike for it. I wanted to give you a quick sample of the speaker.
Houston's #1 hit music.
So it's okay so far. I'll have to play more offline so that I don't get a copyright strike. So let's go ahead and... Is WB just one station? I can't remember. I guess it is. Okay, so I'll just leave it as this for now. Oh, does this change? Oh, no. I thought maybe this would signify what you're on, but it didn't. Oh, okay, it does. Yeah. I guess that's what the instruction's for, huh? Okay, so let's just leave it on something quiet for now. So as you can see, the LED is pretty nice and bright. It doesn't show up on camera too much, but I think at this angle is pretty much what you will see. Up front is LED, power buttons on top, so let's push that. Turn it down here. Line you real quick. Okay. So I think it's only one level. I was hoping there'd be like a low, but there's no low. And then So let's try this and then. Ooh. Wow. Okay, that was pretty loud. That's pretty cool. So that's the SOS, as you can see. On this side is, see, this can be water resistant. Look at how they sealed this port up. They sealed that up nice. Oh wow. Okay, here we go. See, micro USB and the USB. And then here at the bottom, as you can see, is the hand crank. It's pretty cool. And let's see, is that it? You know, nice carrying handle. And here's the solar, as you can see here. It's nice and smooth. And that's it. Alright. I could try one more time and hopefully I don't get a strike. It feels a little staticky still. Okay. Hopefully that's not enough to get a strike. But okay, that can turn off real easily. But as you can see, this is very, very nice. The build quality is definitely up there. The quality of this is really nice. So this is like a soft silicone TPU, I guess. Hard plastic LED, and there's another soft touch here. You can see the LCD was really a good quality. I mean, overall, this is a very nice build. This was at the time a little bit over $49. But you know, living here where I live, stuff like this is pretty useful. I mean, I would always resort to my iPhone first. Being in a half digital age, I still prefer to pull everything up through my iPhone as long as I can. But this is a very good option for those people who like to be survivalists, maybe backpacking. Again, this does charge your phone, but 4,000 milliamps, so you know you could charge your phone once and then this might last another couple hours unless you do the solar. But other than that, you know, this is a cool product. I like it a lot. Alright, so make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment below. Tell me what you think about this. Would you get one? 50 something bucks? Would you get it? I think it's cool. Alright, I'll leave it there. Here it is again.